Today we are going to be making lemongrass tofu with king oyster mushroom. Stick around and I'll show you how to make this delicious vegan dish. The star of our dish today is going to be some firm tofu and king oyster mushroom. We're going to be pressing our tofu to remove the excess moisture. While we're waiting for our tofu to press, we're going to go ahead and prep the mushrooms. Chop it up like this. We're also going to be using 2 stalks of lemongrass, half a small onion, and 6 cloves of garlic minced up. For the sauce, we have 2 tablespoons of vegan brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of Maggi seasoning, or you can sub soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of vegan oyster sauce, and for spice lovers, a squirt of sriracha. Now go ahead and mix that all up. Cut your pressed tofu to your desired size, and then go ahead and heat up extra virgin olive oil in a non-stick pan and throw those babies in and fry them up until they're golden brown on both sides, and set them aside while you saute your lemon, grass, garlic, and onion until they reach a nice and golden brown consistency. Now add those cut mushrooms in and start sauteing with 1/3 of the sauce until they're cooked down and look golden and delicious. Once the mushrooms are cooked down like this, just add the tofu in and the rest of the sauce. Then stir gently to make sure the tofu is nice and coated. The sauce should start bubbling up, glazing the tofu and mushrooms beautifully. And ta-da! You have some delicious tofu with mushrooms that is glazed in a delicious sweet and savory sauce. Go ahead and garnish this beauty with some green onions. Serve this dish over some piping hot white jasmine rice, and there you go. You have yourself a delicious vegan meal that doesn't take very much time at all. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.